Okay, I'm so excited. We're gonna go up the zip line now. I'm pretty nervous.
Today we are at the Doi Thung Royal Villa. A lot of flower plant here and a lot of carving on the house.
Fifth grade today is at Doi Tung. Right now we are at the Mayfa Lawn Garden. We're exploring this beautiful landscape and learning about plants and learning about nature while having a great time outside.
Today we are at the pizza place where the kids are making art with clay. They are feeding animals and learning so much. They made pizza and they are having a lot of fun.